Polar precious brothers, they never have to stop.
Feel free to come in. Feel free to jump in.
Just brothers around with the name and name.
Feel free to go around the back. Go around the back and jump in. Feel free to jump in.
Tomorrow gonna play some basketball, cause there's some hip hop shit, but I don't want to kick. That's freebird.org. Blatant commercialism, but I don't got no fucking nigga dollar pocket except behind me. Just roll around in an army trying to party in the.
Feel free to jump in.
That's where I raise my head. I play the pillars with the kittens on the misted. We got like eagles and birds up in this house. They about to get done with that two-misted daddy falling there on the motherfucking rappers. I ain't got it all. Only one mic, so we gotta be like, who will be passing? I gotta last and keep it going. Here we go. Say 1, 2, 3, grab it, please.
Please, I just freeze like it's fucking Bobby Drake. These niggas is probably fake. Smoking.
Feel free to jump in the back and come inside, please.
If I put my force to the floor.
Feel free to jump in, please.
When I get in the lab.
Yo, jump in. Go in the back. Feel free to jump in.
And I got that good style. That's how I do it.
Feel free to jump in the back, please.
Take a picture with your Leica. I am like a Leica with a full bear wolf though. Verby ass killer with an ill, yeah, cool flow. I ain't give a fuck. Y'all biting like Cujo. My shit is ill. I make K-Town with some Sujo. Yo, I mean soju. Yeah, because I'm so cool. Goddamn, a fireball throwing like it's Goku. Saying that's what I'm saying. The niggas ain't playing. I'm just like Buffy with the bars, nigga. I'm slaying all these biting vampires. You know they damn liars. You know I be burning it up just like a campfire. Fire, yeah, raps. I don't know.
I don't know, I bounce like a pogo. I'll jump her in my Volvo, I'll have you singing, oh no. No shit is some prototype, it's open my pimpin' like yo the mic. I hold it right, MCs think they're twice as tight. I'm like, now the mic is time to write or time to free. MCs break it down, they roll their shit to minor key. From my first, I'll stop you, I'll cuss you out and up out your skin.
Rob Cizon.
Is this paint? Can I roll on the hook like Tawny Katane?
You could jump on the top.
Poison video.
Tawny Katane, yes. White snake it all up all day, fool.
Here I go again on my own.
Going down the only road you've ever known. Yeah, that's it. Feel free to jump in the back.
MCs is just see-through. Like a DJ, EQ, I don't believe you, I don't need you. You're Stevie Wonder. I'm playing that piano while I'm Captain Lou Albano. I got a tackle boxes made by piano, and in it I got microphones or a microfiche. Cause I am the type to teach your ass with a leash. Cause you were a dog or a cat.
Feel free to jump in the back, man. Get down.
You belong on some Kotex or some Playtex or Maxi Pad. Need to take a taxi cab. Open ocean number. I'm a plumber showing my ass MCs. But I come and wear a different man. You're not chasing, you're not amazing. Cause I'll dry your fucking skin out like a California raisin. MCs don't understand, they overcooked it, now they Cajun. Yeah.
Hey, just turn down again. Hey, I don't got that many beats on this fucking laptop, man.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh shit, got another mic working.
Yo, got another mic working. Verbs see the girls and they flirting. I'm trying to slip a D, but a serpent for certain. Man, I'm so cool like a Mentos, fresh make it perfect. That's how I do it with the verses. They are like scriptures. Yo, my fucking flow is like elixir when it comes in my spit. Gets mixed in the vodka. I turn from a rapper to a rocker. And yo, I just dilated like a rocker. And the evidence I'm killing it because the flow is habit militant. Yeah, I like fucking cheese in the morning with some grills. Grilling it, yeah, cop bills on the chick. That's how I do it when I'm on the shit. Yo, spitting for that gram image camp. God damn it, I'm a champ. I'm trying to leave my stamp like postmarks. That's how I do it, cause my flow's fucking so sharp. Yo, I am like a blowtart African. That's how I do it, and it's baffling. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah.
Verbiest and intuition. Look, fuck time rhymer, not a punchline rhymer. Rapping in the rain, sleet, snow, and sunshine rhymer. Beats on the table during lunchtime rhymer. You're a sometimes rhymer. Snitch to one time rhymer. I'm a cantankerous fan of blank canvases that let the imagination run rampant. It's the amalgamation of the next gen. Clamping in every song, singer, Mr. Westman, sampling. I peruse comic books, girls show lots of looks, stacking up that tax-free cash loot off the books. I got a self-inflicted wound. I shot the flick of this and Lil B fans. That is cool not to cook. Off the hook like an old payphone with a bum named Spoon, trying to find his way home. Yelling into it, intuition is fuego. That fire flame, throw fat, tire chain smoke, go. Go ahead and kick the bars now. That's right, we chillin' in the car now. Yeah. Go ahead. This is how I kick it with that UK style. Unless you lose case file, that makes you make you smile. I like the weed when you smell it, it goes smoothly fly. Like this shit in mud to do it, you can smell it everywhere. Cause I'm the mission to I could have alternated be CVC, you don't see me in MTV. I'm also, I see you in the future. My lazy beams catch briefs of flex and catch your plane in the future. Like a rate of asthma attack, you can't attack this. Basically can't sit up like that.
Pass that shit back to me. Let me get
Hey, where's 2Max at? Hey, there you go, take this.
Oh yeah, there you go.
There you go. Take it. What you say, hey?
Yes. This fucking hustle is a mind heist. Bootlegging copies of zeitgeist. I don't deny Christ. Worshipping idols isn't my life. Death is a constant and I'm the constant gardener. The Constitution doesn't honor. I'm the Sarah Connor, Jeffrey Dahmer. Go through this type of armor. Karma disarmed, carve on to the bottom of the harbor. Fools, they go to Harvard and Michigan and another. I go hard work. All this underground hard work. My life berserk. Overexerted, such a circus. Like a flirted with mental decay. Waffles snorting, cocaine coming up short in the game. Beginners, I'm beginner when I'm about evil and not doing nothing. When in the same gang. Music my main thing. Me retiring, homie ain't in the game plan. Write a hit song, and you do legit get slapped across your face with no get the fuck out of my genre. It's my alma mater. Style from my mama. Who do these piles of towel from a Ramada? Who think Illuminati? But they drink limonada, persona non grata. Take the zone in Austrada. Got a lot of Eric Estrada, but not a lot of Akuma Matata in another water. Like a piranha on the Prada of a Dolce & Gabbana piñata. Waiting to exhale, your girls under her they exhale. Like a whip from writing me letters on Microsoft Excel. Calls in effect, sell rocks as ice. In effect, hell. The new teeth and got up in the underquarter underneath the very reef. Carrying out another leaf. I'm an anomaly, you gotta see the dichotomy of your shit. It really gotta lead. It's really kinda weird. And when modelly, you fuck with me, you better fucking with the lottery. Rather have a bottle in front of me than a front of lobotomy.
Oh yeah.
2Max.
Oh yeah, pass that back, yeah.
Fuck the NT, I got FaceTime, I just dropped the Verizon. I just paid my $200 to get off that iPhone G4. I ain't got that 3G, the micro just wrapping around me. Rapping the baseline, ain't got the FaceTime, pass the mic to the man in the backseat. I ain't gotta rap, this is my home. I be up on all that yap from trucks down from the fucking New York State to Orange Gate. I be seeing them people jumping off the bridges when them people try to get up in them in the lockless. Cause that truck stops, the buck stop here like don't go back, it don't stop living. He's dying up, it's the wagon. Rolling through the jungle, Mr. Bungle on the mic, patent, stratting, fucking guitars with the guitars in the sign, slanging it up to winter. It's the winter time, I'm from Florida, not the corridor. Alligator, skater, the yellow wolf, Alabama, little be the face god. It's intuition, might be the verbal 2Max in me up in the freebird.org. If I didn't say it before, say it again. My friends just sitting up on my bed, where that's my head, and that's my table. I cooked in a tube, I'm ready to reach. A tube in the range, propane cooked in the back way, your buddy, you're not gonna turn that vent on. I don't use my bathroom, cause that shit stinks. Ripping up pigs in the fucking pot of Hollywood that I don't even know, cause I drove all the way here from Clubbing the Road. And the guys stand worse, and the people at the judge, and the people at the booth in New York, they're all like, is there birds on there up? And like, no, there's no birds up here, you're just one bird, that blue bird is in here. My ear, gonna see deer hook tonight at the complex, and maybe yellow up on Tuesday if it works. OG Husky Radio, check me on the website of my blog.
Please, please, better
your knees. Right now, you probably listen to a G. My God, you listening to VC. Every time I come from LA and Cali.
Yeah, man.
LA shit. My intuition out the window.